Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use pad and you'll learn to use the external projection. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will create the base. So to create this, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this arc and create these two lines here. And the distance between this point here and this point is 155 millimeters. And these two lines is equal. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And select arc from center. Click here in the midpoint. This arc has 24 millimeters of radius. Make an arc here. And now select line. Make a line here. And create another line here. And go to constraints and select equal constraints. Select this line and select this one. And go to dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint is 155 over 2. Okay. And now we will create this two line with 15 millimeters of length. And create this line here and this one. So select polyline here, make this sketch here, and in the other side, and go to constraint, select equal, select this line here and this one, select this line here and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 15 millimeters. And now we will create these three lines. And the distance between this line and this one is 56 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 36 millimeters. Go to dimension. The distance here 36. And the length of this line here is 56 millimeters. Okay. We made this one. And now leave the sketch. We needed to extrude this. And the distance is 85 millimeters. So go to pad and select this profile. The length 85 millimeters. One direction, okay, and press OK. We made the base, and now we will create the back face here. So to create this, we will make this sketch. So rotate this a little bit, select this face and go to create a sketch. And here, go to external projection, select this edge here, this one, and this one, okay? And now we will make this line here, and this one, and this one. This two line is equal with the same length, and the angle between this line and this line here, 48 degrees. So select line, click here in this point, make a line here, and make a line here, and make a line between these 2 points, and go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 48 degrees, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint, this line is here, is the top face, and the midpoint here is 78 millimeters. So go to dimension, select this line and the midpoint. The distance here 78 millimeters and press OK. We made this one and now leave the sketch. We need to extrude this and the distance is 21 millimeters. So go to add, select this profile, reverse the direction and the length here is 21 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this exercise, we will select the top face to create a sketch and we will make this sketch here. Okay, so the first thing here, select this face and go to create a sketch. And here go to external projection, select this edge here. And here select a line, make a line here and make another line here. And select the arc, 3-point arc here, select this point and this point here and make an arc here and go to constraints, select tangent, select this arc and this line and select equal, select this line here and this one. And now we put the dimensions here and the distance between the center of this arc and this face here is 35 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, the distance between this point here and the midpoint, 35 millimeters. Okay. And here in the center, we have a hole here. So we will create this circle with 21 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in the midpoint here, 21 millimeters, press OK. And that's it. Leave the sketch. We need to extrude this profile. So go to pad, reverse the direction. And the distance here is 21 millimeters. So the length 21 millimeters and press OK. And that's it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.